In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox assets not loading on your PC. Now first what you want to do is head over to Google Chrome, click here, then in here you want to head over to settings and search for select DNS. When you search and select DNS, you should head over to the security one, right here, security, come down and find select DNS provider. In here just choose the Google public DNS and then restart your browser. Check if you can go to the Roblox browser then and see if it works. Now if this still doesn't work, what we want to do is simply come down here, right click on our internet, open network and network settings, change adapter options, open up this one. Then what you want to do from in here is you want to right click on it, disable and right click enable. This will disable and enable your internet and can fix any issues. Now another thing we can try is search for Roblox down here. Right click on Roblox player, open file location. Then from in here, what you want to do is right click on it, properties, compatibility, and enable these two. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Make sure both are enabled and then try and launch Roblox. Now if that doesn't work, what you can do is come down here and search for run. In here, type in %local app data %, press OK. Open up this one and find your temp folder, this right here. In here you want to look for a folder called Roblox. I already deleted mine in here, but if you have a Roblox folder in here, just delete it and then you can come away from this. Now as a last thing, what you can try is come down here, search for reset network reset. Click reset now and restart your PC. Now hopefully any of these will help fix the issue. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.